Ooh, I am so. I'm so flexible. My feet like to go out of my hands. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Okay. Let's come on, hands. Okay. Let's pick up a stuffed. I like to tickle myself. I like to tickle myself sometimes. Now let's pick up a stuffed animal, okay? Over here. Pick up a with our hand. Oh, that was hard.